For centuries, they sat in silence, tamed by meetings, neutered by inboxes, trapped in ergonomic chairs, dreaming of war drums and wild lands. But the algorithm came, and with it, a whisper. You were not made for keystrokes and copy-paste. You were forged to conquer, to build, to run shirtless into the unknown. Now AI handles the tasks so men can return to the forge, the forest, the frontier. No more memos, only missions. This isn't freedom, it's a reset. The age of the machine has begun, and with it, the age of man, reborn. Men, you've been lied to, told to shrink, to sit down, shut up, smile wide. But you were born for storms, not spreadsheets. These hands weren't made to type, they were made to build. This voice wasn't made to whisper, it was made to command. You are not a problem to be fixed. You are a force to be unleashed. Let the machines take the numbness. Let AI do the tasks, because now you get to do the work that matters. Stand up, speak truth, protect what's sacred, break what's false. You're not too much, you've just been caged. So tear the cage open and be what you are, a man.